Okay, so for your final activity today, you're going to be working on expanded form. Expanded form is something that you did a lot in first grade also. What you're going to do is you're going to take maybe a scary number or a big number that maybe looks a little bit mean, like something crazy like 98. Ooh, that's a really big number. And we're going to break it up into two little parts by separating into our tens and ones. So I know 98 has 9 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they don't have to be perfect. Mine are just trying to be little circles because I don't want to make little lines because I don't want to get them confused. So I've got 8 ones here, which means that of this right here, I have my 9 tens, and my 8 ones. I could also write that as 90 plus, oops, oh goodness, let me erase that, there we go, plus 8. So what you're going to do now is you're going to do this exact same thing on your lesson. So I'm going to pause this and show you what it's going to look like. Let's talk about expanded form. Expanded form, and I like to do this with my hands because I'm stretching out my number into tens and ones. Expanded form is when we separate our tens and ones to better understand or work with a number. So then it says 13 is the same as 1 and 3 Well, let's see. What is there 1 of in 13? 1 10. So I'm going to put it there. So if there's 1 10, then I know that that means that there's how many leftover ones? 3. So I'm going to find, 3 ones. So I'm going to find my ones and I'm going to put it here. I want you to work with the rest of these to fill in the blanks. When you're done working with expanded form, you're going to see one number story to solve and then a couple of problems to do back at your Google Classroom. There's also a hundreds chart at your Google Classroom under this assignment that you can work with to help your thinking. Have fun!